Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video, we are gonna learn how to create a sketch to a video. So let's go to my Notion. So you're getting clear idea. So we are gonna tell Google Gemini or ChatGPT to generate a sketch, AI sketch, and we're gonna convert it into a video for your product or for a brand. It can be any product you have. Alright, I'm gonna pick a random product. Okay, so what will I do is I will go to my Google Gemini. Before that, I will go to my Chrome and I'm gonna search and the product. I have chosen iPhone 17 Pro, which is which is in trend right now. It's the latest phone of iPhone. Alright, so I'm gonna go with the orange one. Okay, I'm gonna copy image, go to Google Gemini. Okay, now I suggest you to watch this carefully. Okay, so we have our product. So the first prompt is we are gonna copy this prompt, copy, and we are gonna go to Google Gemini. Make sure it's you have enabled this create image and paste the prompt and click submit. So Google Gemini will take a while to generate your image. Okay, so we have our image now. Now what we are going to do, we are going to download this. And now what we are going to do is we are going to copy the image again. Okay, and we are going to copy this image again and go to Notion. And this time we are going to copy this prompt and paste this prompt and click submit. Alright, so we have our image now. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna download this image, plus I'm gonna download this image as well, and we're gonna go back to our Notion. Now we are gonna go to Kling AI or PixVerse, whatever you are comfortable with. Okay, image to video. So we are gonna drop our image from start to end. So we have 2 frames, right? We're gonna utilize the 2 image that we have generated. And we're gonna go to our end frame and upload the ending frame. Okay, so this is our first frame, this is our last frame. Now what we are gonna do is, if you guys don't have a prompt, then you can generate the prompt, but we have a video prompt. So I'm gonna copy this, copy and paste and click generate. And we have tried with PixVerse also. Let's see how the result is. Okay, this will take a while. This will take a while. So once it's done, I'll get back. Oh wow, this looks so real. Let's have a look again. PixVerse result is ready. Let's have a look. This could be better. Let's regenerate again. It could be better. Okay, let's see how clean it result is. Okay, it's the same actually with PixVerse. It could be better. Let's see the new generated result. Okay, yeah, I mean like that. I hope you get the idea, guys. This is how the result is, but it could be better though. Yeah, I hope you guys get the idea how it looks like and how it works. Alright, this can be better. Um, so I think that's it, guys. I will later tweak one of the prompt. I will tweak the prompt, the video prompt, so it could be better. Okay, so I hope you get the idea, guys. Now that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching until the very end, please drop a yellow heart or yellow star, and please do support to the channel, guys. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Share your thoughts, and see you in the next video.